This is exactly how I am able to use my iPhone here, as you can see, as a remote for my TV. So what you need to do firstly is to go to your app store, and then you need to download an app called Google Home, and then open up the app here, as you can see. Now on the Google Home app, just go to Home here in the bottom left corner, and then it's gonna scan for nearby devices. If it doesn't, you can always click on the plus icon here. But you can see this is my TV here, so I'm just gonna click on it right here. And then it should automatically connect here to my TV, and then I'm just gonna click on Open Remote. And you can see when I do so, I'm now able to actually use my phone here freely as a remote, or rather my iPhone here as a remote here for my TV. It's pretty awesome. I can just go and click, for example, let's say I want to be able to click here on YouTube Music, and as an example, I'm able to do so by just clicking here. I'm also able to actually turn down volume and also increase volume here, as you can see, by just clicking on these buttons right here. And basically that is exactly how to do this.